Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the very delicious mushroom makhani. In a bowl, take some dried Kashmiri red chilies and handful of cashews. Soak it with some hot water for around 5 to 10 minutes. This will help release the flavor and color from those dried red chilies. To make the makhani sauce, in a pan, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and then add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, some bay leaves and whole garlic cloves. Add 1 big red roughly chopped onion. I prefer to take red onions when I am cooking Indian curries because that brings next level flavors. Now to this add salt to taste and we are going to add some basic spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin coriander powder and some garam masala. I prefer to add Kitchen King masala because it has mild yes delicious flavors. Now let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until all the spices are well blended with onion. And now we are going to take those soaked cashews and red chilies. Take off the top of the red chili and then take out seeds from it for better taste. This step is very important because this is going to take your curries to the next level. Now add this to the onion mixture and then we are going to add roughly chopped tomatoes. I have taken around 3 medium-sized tomatoes and let it cook on medium flame for roughly around 7 to 8 minutes. Once cooked, let it cool down and then take out those bay leaves or any other whole spices that you have added and simply blend it to nice puree. To make the mushroom makhani, in a pan we're gonna add some oil and butter. Let it melt down and then add sliced garlic with some whole spices of your choice. And I prefer to add some chili flakes when I am sauteing my mushrooms. Now simply add some mushrooms. I have added button mushrooms along with some salt. Mix everything well together and let it cook for pretty good 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Once mushrooms are well seasoned, simply add those makhani sauce in it. Add some water as well to adjust the consistency of the makhani sauce. Reduce the flame and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes and then we are simply going to adjust some flavors. Simply add half tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Trust me, these two ingredients are literally going to balance all the flavors of your makhani. And then take some dry fenugreek leaves aka kasuri methi. This is a mandate ingredient when you are making any makhani sauce. And of course, some heavy cream to bring the creamy richness in your curry. Mix everything well together and your mushroom makhani is ready to serve. If you are a foodie looking for some quick, easy, vegetarian, budget-friendly recipes, then don't forget to follow Dollar Delicacies by Darshita.